What's up, guys? Good evening. This is Captain A3A once again with another aircraft review. This time, Alitalia Boeing 777-243 in the 1/200 scale by Skymarks. Alitalia is a member of SkyTeam, along with Delta Airlines, Aeroflot, China Airlines, Delta, Air France, KLM, and a couple other heavy hitters. Now I'm going to give you a tour of Alitalia's 777-200. Alitalia was formed in 1954. They would fly Douglas DC-8s up until the time they started receiving both the 747 and the DC-10. They would fly the aircraft well into the 1990s. The 747 made its last and final flight for Alitalia in 1997. While Alitalia would later replace the DC-10 with the MD-11. The MD-11 would remain in operations for quite some time until Alitalia did away with the MD-11 and the 767, but it wasn't until the arrival of the 777 right here that it would make non-stop travel possible from Rome, from Leonardo da Vinci International Airport to New York John F. Kennedy International Airport, Newark Liberty International, Boston Logan, Chicago O'Hare, Washington Dulles, Miami International, Dallas Fort Worth, Los Angeles International Airport, San Francisco International Airport, Tokyo Narita, and several other destinations. Now, I'll give you a tour of the aircraft. Begin with the PO tubes and the cockpit windshield and windshield wipers. The 777-200 here from Alitalia is powered by two General Electric GE90 turbofan engines. There's the SkyTeam livery and the L1 door. The Alitalia livery, the General Electric GE90s, come on the wings of the 777-200, and the registration of this aircraft, Alitalia's livery on the tail of the 777. Now I'm going to bring over to the APU and the horizontal stabilizers. This aircraft has a seating capacity for around about 343 passengers in 3-seat configurations. Now, Alitalia, they co-share with Delta Airlines on certain flights. And it was Alitalia and Continental Airlines that used to co-share back in the 1990s. The Alitalia livery were on the port and starboard side of the aircraft. The registration of the aircraft come on the wings up towards the General Electric GE90 and the galley that is right there next to the cockpit, where the purser, the head purser, is the one that takes care of the meals for the passengers, as well for the captain and the first officer. And that's it. Alitalia today, they have their current fleet right now consists of the 777-243, the Airbus A330, the Boeing 767, and the possibility of the arrival of Boeing 787 Dreamliner, which the Dreamliner would replace Alitalia's Boeing 767 fleet. When should that be taking place? Who knows? Don't know until Alitalia receives their very first 787 Dreamliners. It could be sometime this year. And right now, no one is not speculating. So, anyway, that's it for this aircraft review. I would just like to say thank you very much for watching this video. And if you like my other videos, check me out on YouTube. And anyway, I would like to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I look forward to seeing you guys very soon with my next aircraft review. So anyway, like I always say, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, this is Captain 838 signing off for now. Have a safe journey to your next destination, and may God be with you. And take care.